Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can delete work types or work item types in your Jira site, like for example, epics or features, tasks, and so on and so forth, all of that on Jira. So let us dive right into it. Head over to Jira site, and what you want to do, guys, is access the given project and also its settings. So let me go with that Kanban project here. You may access these settings by clicking into these three dots and by clicking into this field here, or here into these three dots. And once you're in your project settings, what you want to do is here on the left panel is expand the work types section. And after that, simply click into the given work type that is currently active within your project. So let me go, for example, with feature. And what you want to do after that is click into these three dots here and select a delete work type. And after that, you will be asked to confirm the deletion. Now, some of these work types can't be deleted because they have been either created by Jira or they can't be replaced. But if you, for example, created a work type yourself, for example, a custom work type, you can easily delete them from that menu by using that method, guys. So it is actually very simple. Let's leave it at that. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time on our channel.